Everyone, welcome back to SK World. Today we are going to talk about how to perform the cross-browser testing in TestNG. This logging test we will run on different browsers. So let's begin. Add @ parameters and enter the parameter name browser. Add @ before class. And add method public void multi string browser. Now we will initialize the browser with if and else if condition. If browser dot equal ignore case Chrome now we will initialize the Chrome driver. Here driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Same for Firefox browser. Add else if condition browser dot equal ignore case and name is equal to Firefox. Initialize the Firefox driver. Driver is equal to new Firefox driver. Now open the TestNG.xml and we will add the parameter name here. First add the test name. Test name is equal to Firefox. And add the parameter name inside the test. Parameter name is equal to browser. Enter parameter name browser and value is equal to Firefox. Here you can view the value is equal to Firefox. Same for Chrome browser, we will add the parameter in testng.xml file. Copy this test and add here and change the value Firefox to Chrome and enter the value here Chrome. And value is equal to Chrome. Control S to save this file. Right click on testng.xml and click on run as testng soaked. Chrome driver is opening. In this scenario, login script will be run on two browsers. One is on Firefox and second on Chrome browser. First open in Firefox and then this script will be run on Chrome driver. In console, you can view the total number of tests run 2 and 2 test case have been passed. If you like this content, please subscribe to SQ World. Thanks for watching.